Hey, welcome to the channel, my friends. We got a great show for you today. I'm going to share with you something that I use to replace soda pop. I used to drink a lot of Diet Pepsi and probably 7-8 cans a day. And now I've switched to a product that I think you guys would enjoy and like. And I want to share that with you today. It's much healthier, it's more natural, and it gives you that caffeine boost that you're looking for. Hey, let's get into it. Okay guys, the product I'm going to talk about is Essential Amino Energy. This product is a great substitute for caffeine. And that's what I did. I use this every morning, and then generally almost every afternoon I'll make one of these. Basically it's a powder you put in water, and you can kind of make it as strong as you want. I use 2 scoops. That's what they recommend, and there is 30 servings in this container, and you can see these at most grocery stores. I know I pick mine up at Hy-Vee on Wednesdays because they have their wellness areas like 10% off in their health and nutrition area. So these are like, I want to say $19.99 when you get the 10% discount. Otherwise, these are like $21.99 for 30 servings, which isn't bad considering the price of pop nowadays and how much it's went up. But I mixed some up here, and I just want to kind of share the flavor with you, and let's give it a try. Just to kind of show you, it comes with a scoop like this, and usually I put a heaping scoop in there, and I do 2 heaping scoops where it's about this high up on the thing, and I put it in my mixer. It comes with there's a silica packet in there, and that just helps keep it dry. Looks like this. You're not supposed to eat this or anything. I just keep it in there. One thing I will say, you can reuse these, shake them off. I put them in some of my cooking spice jars. That way they don't get all clumped together. After they've been open, they tend to stick together. Well, my spice jars are big enough where these fit in there, and this has been in with food powder, so there's no reason it couldn't go in with your spices, and it helps keep them a lot drier. So just a little tip for you on that, but let's give it a try here for you. I used my shaker. I've had some of this already today, but I use a shaker bottle like this, and I fill it up with water and ice to about here, and put my 2 scoops in and shake it up. But it's got a really nice orange flavor. There's not a lot of sediment in there, so it mixes up really nice. And I enjoy the orange flavor just for the fact that it kind of gets my day going, kind of like orange juice, except I use this Amino Energy. And this is fairly healthy for you guys. There's not a lot of, there's only 5 calories in there, 1 gram of carbohydrates, 15 milligrams of sodium. So not bad at all. Caffeine is 100 milligrams. Green tea leaf extract, there's 50 milligrams. And then also there's a green coffee bean extract, 10 milligrams. So there's some citric acid in there, natural and artificial flavor. So it's not really that bad. It's probably better for you than pop. One thing that I do find with these is drink these instead of energy drinks. I find that if you drink an energy drink, and once in a while I have a Monster energy drink, that I don't feel so good after drinking them, where I don't get that with these. I still have the energy, but yet I feel great. So, you don't want to drink this at night. You're gonna not sleep. But I wouldn't say it just overwhelms you with energy. I just think it gives you that nice lift to start your day. In the afternoon, you tend to get a little bit tired. That's when you have this instead of the soda pop caffeine. Have one of these instead. And usually I can get by with those 2 in a day and not have to drink pop. So I find that works really well for me. And this is, a lot of times people will drink this before they work out. Type of thing. So they have multiple flavors. I like the orange. There's green apple. I like that one. They have grape. They have watermelon, strawberry. I think they even have a pineapple. If you check this out, you might want to give it a try. I know it seems like a lot of money, but not really, not with the price of pop and other drinks. And if you can substitute this instead, or even some of those coffees that you buy in the morning, those get very expensive. Try this. I think you'll be very happy with it. It's done well for me, and my wife likes it, and my son likes it too. It's been a great substitute. We don't have to buy pop and have all those cans sitting around anymore. We just mix it up and use this. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a rating for you today. And I'm gonna rate this product a 10 because I continually rebuying it. It's a great product. Mix it up, get some different flavors so you can try the different flavors. You'll find one that you really like. I really like the orange, so that's what I'm showing you today. But I give this product a big thumbs up. Don't be afraid to give it a try. Like I said, it's gonna run you around 21, 22 bucks. You can buy it on sale for around 20 if you look for it. So, hey, thanks for watching today. I appreciate your support. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And subscribe to my channel. That'd be greatly appreciated, as I will bring you some more great videos on everyday products that you can use. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, guys. See you again soon. Take care. God bless. Bye.